Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make vlog using iPhone. Here are the easy steps to make a vlog using your iPhone. First, choose your vlog topic. Decide if it's a day in a life, tutorial, travel vlog, review, or lifestyle content. Set your camera quality. Go to settings, camera, record video, and select 1080p or 4K at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Clean your camera lens. Wipe gently with a microfiber cloth for a clear, sharp image. Prepare your shot list or outline. Write 3 to 5 main scenes or taking points so the vlog stays organized. Find good lighting. Face a window or use a ring light to make your video bright and flattering. Use a stable setup. Hold your iPhone steadily or use a tripod to avoid shaky footage. Turn on grid lines. Go to settings, camera, grid to help with framing and leveling your shots. Record with a rear camera if possible. Rear cameras give much better video quality than a front camera. Capture B-roll clips. Film extra shots or surroundings, objects, activity, or details to make your vlog more engaging. Speak clearly and naturally. Hold the phone close or use a clip-on microphone for better sound. Edit your vlog. Use iMovie, CapCut, VN, LumaFusion, or other editing apps to trim clips, add music, text, and transitions. Add a title, captions, and effects. This helps your vlog look more professional and keeps the viewers engaged. Export and upload. Save the final video in 1080p or 4K, then upload to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.